makiria rugamiria thukuru itiganite na makiria maisha mathomo magathi ya iguru magithi na mbere na guteta makiuga ati riu ni gucungereria mathi na mbere na kuingaingira mihuko-ini yao niguo gukorwo magikinyaniria ta uria mendekithitio riu gukiri uguo ni moritie thirikari itikire kumongerera mishara yao itimini ria guthi na mbere na gwithaitira kumana na kuongereka kwa ngarama ya muturire ni rithiite na mbere na kwambatira o gwakia.
Asking of two things. We can allow this taxation to take place as workers if we have increments in our salaries. So we are looking at if we don't have immediate increments in our salaries, then workers cannot afford to pay for housing tax of 1.5% and the so proposed NHIF tax of 2.75%. The several taxes that are covered under VAT that are going to affect the communities in general.
Increase the taxes, please increase our salary. That's what we are saying. Because in this country now, anybody with a pay and the payslip is being depleted each and every day.
Nini wa mutongoria wa bururi